Finding the missing number. To find the missing addend, observe, read and understand. Addend 1 plus addend 2 is equal to sum 5418, that is addend 1, plus 1580, that is addend 2, is 6998, that is the sum. Sum minus addend 2 is equal to addend 1. 6998, that is the sum, minus 1580, that is addend 2, is 5480, that is addend 1. Sum minus addend 1 is equal to addend 2. 6998, that is the sum, minus 5480, that is addend 1, is 1580, that is addend 2. Example 4. Which number, when added to 5673, will give 9878? Solution. Addend 1 is equal to 5673. Sum is equal to 9878. Addend 2 is equal to what? We know sum minus addend 1 is equal to addend 2. Therefore, 9878 minus 5673 is equal to addend 2. Thus, 9878 minus 5673 is equal to 4205. Let us check. Addend 1 plus addend 2 is equal to sum 5673, that is addend 1, plus 4205, that is addend 2, is 9878, that is the sum. To find the missing digit, follow the same rules. Addend 1 digit plus addend 2 digit is equal to sum digit. Sum digit minus addend 2 digit is equal to addend 1 digit. Sum digit minus addend 1 digit is equal to addend 2 digit. Example 5. Fill in the missing digits to complete the sum. The number in the first row is the addend 1. The number in the second row is the addend 2. The number in the third row is the sum. Solution. To find the missing digit in the ones column, let's add addend 1 digit of the ones column and addend 2 digit of the ones column, that is 8. So, the missing digit in the ones column is 8. To find the missing digit in the hundreds column, let's subtract the sum digit of the hundreds column and addend 2 digit of the hundreds column, that is 3. So, the missing digit in the hundreds column is 3. To find the missing digit of thousands column, let's subtract the sum digit of thousands column and addend 1 digit of thousands column, that is 2. So, the missing digit is 2. Properties of addition. Property 1. The sum of two numbers addends does not change even if we change the order of numbers. This is called the commutative property of addition. Let us add 4,634 and 5,296. First, add 4,634 and 5,296. Then add 5,296 and 4,634. 4,634 plus 5,296 is 9,930. Now, 5,296 plus 4,634 is 9,930. Thus, 4,634 plus 5,296 is equal to 5,296 plus 4,634. It is equal to 9,930. Property 2. The sum of three numbers, addends, does not change even if they are grouped differently. This is called the associative property of addition. Let us add 3,878, 1,151 and 2,560 in two ways. First, add 3,878 and 1,151 and then add the sum to 2,560. 3,878 plus 1,151 is 5,029. Now, 5,029 plus 2,560 is 7,589. Now, first add 3,878 and 2,560 and then add the sum to 1,151. 3,878 plus 2,560 is 6,438. Now, 6,438 plus 1,151 is 7,589. Thus, 3,878 plus 1,151 plus 2,560 is equal to 3,878 plus 2,560 plus 1,151. Property 3. The sum of any number and 0 is the number itself. Let us add 3,215 and 0. We have 3,215 plus 0 is equal to 3,215. Property 4. The sum of any number and 1 will always give a successor of that number. Let us add 2,715 and 1. 2,715 plus 1 is equal to 2,716. Successor of 2,715. Adding 10, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Adding 10 to a number. When we add 10 to a number, the digit in the tens place is increased by 1. Example: 52,136 plus 10 is equal to 52,146. Adding 100 to a number. When we add 100 to a number, the digit in the hundreds place is increased by 1. Example: 1,32,481 plus 100 is equal to 1,32,581. Adding 1,000 to a number. When we add 1000 to a number, the digit in the thousands place is increased by 1. Example: 36,184 plus 1000 is equal to 37,184. Adding 10,000 to a number. When we add 10,000 to a number, the digit in the 10,000s place is increased by 1. Example: 5,73,462 plus 10,000 is equal to 5,83,462. Estimating the sum. To estimate the sum, first round off the given addends to nearest 10, 100 or 1000 as per the given situation and then add. The answer you get is the estimated sum. Example 6. Find the actual sum and the estimated sum of 6,453 and 2,738 by rounding off to nearest 10. Solution. Actual sum: 6,453 plus 2,738 is 9,191. Estimated sum: 6,453 rounds to 6,450 plus 2,738 rounds to 2,740. That is 9,190. Example 7. Find the actual sum and the estimated sum of 2,77,965 and 3,21,879 by rounding off to nearest 100. Solution. Actual sum: 2,77,965 plus 3,21,879 is 5,99,844. Estimated sum: 2,77,965 rounds to 2,78,000 plus 3,21,879 rounds to 3,21,900 is 5,99,900. Example 8. Find the actual sum and the estimated sum of 81,609 and 96,258 by rounding off to nearest 1000. Solution. Actual sum: 81,609 plus 96,258 is 1,77,867. Estimated sum: 81,609 rounds to 82,000 plus 96,258 rounds to 96,000 is 1,78,000. Remember, the estimated sum is very close to the actual sum. Word problems. Example 1. In a carton, number of red marbles are 24,356 and number of blue marbles are 31,479. Find the total number of marbles in the carton. Solution. Number of red marbles is equal to 24,356. Number of blue marbles is equal to 31,479. Total marbles is equal to 24,356 plus 31,479 is 55,835. Therefore, the total number of marbles in the carton are 55,835. Example 2. Frame a word problem. 41,326 plus 21,534. Solution. A shopkeeper sold 41,326 shirts in the year 2022 and 21,534 shirts in the year 2023. Find the total number of shirts sold by him in both the years.